everyone, welcome to Wonders LED Lighting World. My channel is mainly talk about LED light and how to find a good supplier in China. Today, in this video, I would like to introduce a new sport can light. It is 5 watt. Driver is inside. So we just directly to connect AC voltage. This can light biggest advantage is CCT Adjustable. It had 3 different CCT. Let me check what kind of CCT when it light. This is 3000 Kelvin. 3000 Kelvin. You can look at my face. 3000 Kelvin. Here. $4,000 Kelvin. Here. $6,000 Kelvin. 3,000 Kelvin. 4,000 Kelvin. 6,000 Kelvin. Yeah, it has 3 different CCT. Choose the right one for your application.